A senior executive of a German-founded enterprise has said that his company plans to ramp up investment in the Chinese market after great success has been achieved here over the past 3 decades. Established in 1993, Link Forklift Truck Corporation Limited, a KION Group company, is one of the world's leading material handling equipment and solution providers. As one of the earliest foreign investment enterprises in Xiamen, East China's Fujian province, the company has achieved rapid growth and witnessed tremendous achievements in Xiamen and China as a whole over the past 30 years.
China is the single largest forklift market in the world. Besides a large demand for forklift, China has provided significant opportunities in terms of the supply chain, manufacturing capability, as well as talent and innovations. KION, as well as Linde, the subsidiary of KION, has been operating in China over the last 30 years. And we have benefited significantly. Over the last 30 years, we have actually invested quite significantly. We have set up 6 production sites, and more recently, in 2020, we have built a brand new intelligent factory producing new energy forklift for the China market as well as globally at Laiwu, Jinan. I think for KION, we will continue to bring new product, invest in the new technologies in China, for China market as well as for globally.